Coming in with some pace there, boy.
Welcome to today's channel. Hey, what? Yeah, boy, we're getting some skids in. Woo! Got my hat stuck in the door, man.
You sure did, buddy.
Right. Alright, let's move on, Who are we keeping up with today, Reuben?
The boys, mate.
The boys?
Yeah.
Good. The patrol boys? Here we have Chris in his natural habitat, concentrating intensely.
Yeah, man, I probably got my mouth open and something.
He's drooling over the great shots he's getting.
Someone didn't bring spare tyres. I did bring side cutters though to cut all the wire off.
Oh, you got to do it, man. You can't come out here thinking you're going to drive home on all this.
I couldn't see when I was following that stupid bit right there.
Here comes the mighty TD42 double diesel, mungey down the gravel roads in its natural habitat. Oh, he's right in his natural habitat. That's right. He's still on it, boys. He's still on it. Oh yeah. Send it, buddy. Send it. Fires me up, boys and girls. Oh. This is what I'm talking about. Excellent day out in the middle of nowhere, out in Mexico. Liam, having a great time, Liam? Oh yeah. FBB. See you later, boys. Gotta get the heck out of Mexico. Well, that's it. Day's over. Yeah, just heading home, having a lovely drive through the forest. The weather's perfect today. Check it out.
This is why you don't go drifting with 4 litres of dot free in your car.
I did this with water at least.
Oh, I'm gonna have to give it a
wash the whole lot.
special wash, yeah. I'll give it the special treatment, that's for sure.
Yeah, maybe. Right, we got the what model GoPro pole is this, Reuben?
This is the GoPro Pole 10.
Yeah, right. Is that the new one that's coming out 2022, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Seems
It's
legit.
adjustable, so you can extend it out,
Oh, nice.
plug in, and it's got this bipod on it.
A bipod. Yeah,
Sure.
right. That's great, man. Might have to get me one of these. I've been thinking about getting a longer pole, but this is great. I like the adjustability.
You can go home delivered to my house. It's just out my back door.
Sweet.